Hello everyone, welcome to another Python video. In this video, we're going to be solving the special day problem from the CCC 2015 J1 question. And basically it says that February 18 is a special date for CCC. And we're going to write a program that asks the user for a numerical month, a numerical day of the month, and then determine whether that date occurs before, after, or on February 18th. So if it occurs before, we're going to output before. If it occurs after, we're going to output after. And then if it is February 18th, we're going to output the word special. So let's get started. We're going to start with a quick, simple input statements here. We're going to say the month is equal to the integer input, and day is going to be equal to the integer input as well. Now, for a contest like CCC, where if they don't specify an input message and they just give you the values being inputted as a sample, we usually don't want to put anything in our input statements argument, because the CCC automatic grader will often grade depending on what the output was. So we're going to leave that blank as it is. Okay, and then we're going to go into our processing and output. So here what we're going to do is, well, look at if both the month is equal to 2 and if the day is equal to 18. We're just going to say it's special right away, like that. Okay. And else what we're going to do is the following. If we know that the month is before 2, we're going to print before. Elif, we're going to say if a month is greater than 2, we're going to print after. Otherwise, we are in the month of February. Right? We already checked that if we already checked that if the month is 2 and the day is 18. So what I'm going to do is just rely on the fact that if I'm in this situation here, I know that the month isn't less than 2 and I know that the month isn't greater than 2. Therefore, the value of our month has to be a value of 2. So I just need to consider and analyze the day variable. And what I'm going to do is say that, well, if a day is less than 18, we're going to still print before. Otherwise, we know that the day value is going to be greater than 18 because we already have considered that possibility right there. Therefore, I'm just going to write after. And most often when you do programming, you do want to do less of comparison and logical operation. And it's easier if you can just use a situation where just going or utilizing the else would be more efficient than actually calculating a comparison or logical operation to go into the code block of that. Okay, but I do want you to know that this, yes, is a fine answer. I do want you to think about how you can optimize this program and whatnot, so that maybe we can have less comparison and maybe we can write more clever comparison operators to help us detect if we are before or after, or we are indeed on the special day. So something to think about for your future. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and as always, stay classy.